In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a milestone in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mark a key project checkpoint so your team can see what really matters and when it needs to happen. First, open the Asana project where you want this milestone to live. This ensures the milestone sits with the work it's meant to track. So everyone looking at that project's list, board, timeline, or calendar sees the same point on the horizon. If you work across multiple spaces, take a second to confirm you're in the right project to avoid confusion later. Next, click Add Task to create a new task. In most views, you'll find this near the top of the project or as a plus icon. Starting with a task is important because a milestone in Asana is essentially a special type of task designed to represent major outcomes rather than ongoing work. Give the task a clear, action-oriented name that reflects the key checkpoint. Think design approved, contracts signed, or launch day, instead of something vague. A strong name makes status updates and timeline views much easier to scan. Now, open the task details. This expands the right-hand pane where you'll make all the changes you need. Keeping everything in the details panel ensures the milestone is fully set up in one place. Change the task type to milestone if that option is available in your Asana setup. You'll typically see a toggle or drop down that lets you convert a standard task into a milestone, often represented by a diamond icon. Converting it signals to your teammates and your project timeline that this item marks a significant event, not a list of to-dos. Finally, add a due date, an owner, and supporting details so the milestone is easy to track. Pick the specific date the outcome is expected. Milestones are about a single moment in time. Assign the owner who's accountable for making sure this checkpoint is reached. In the description, add a brief summary of what done looks like, any links to relevant documents, and key context stakeholders should know. The clearer the description, the fewer follow-up questions you'll need to answer later. That's it. You've created a milestone that stands out in your project, aligns your team on what success looks like, and anchors your schedule around the most important moments. If you keep naming milestones clearly and always include a date, an owner, and crisp context, your plans will stay focused and easy to follow.